Greetings, traders. This is the weekend edition. My name's Des Woodruff. I'm the founder and owner of freetradingvideos.com. However, we do business as Grok trade. Grok stands for knowing something so well you have an intuitive understanding of it, and we want our users and our students specifically to be able to grok their trading. Here to give you help. Friday, markets ended the markets and the session and the week mixed. As you can see, the Friday small caps were down, everybody else up for the most part. And we have precious metals down yet again. So looking here at the S&P daily, you have this big monster rally looking for a pullback. On Friday we had bullish activity bouncing off the rising EMA's exponential moving averages, so fairly bullish. However, I made a prediction that on Wednesday that high, that 1775, will probably be the high for the year. Let's see if that holds true. Right now we have a decent chance for a rally to take place. We have a bullish harami, and if we get a higher high we could go higher. I think if we do come back here in this region, we'll stop drop, giving us a double top trend reversal pattern. I'll show you why I believe that. On the weekly chart, you can see on the weekly chart now we're at resistance with the doji. We come right back down, closing down below that area. It's not by accident. Now we should drop. We have a rolling over or a slowing of momentum on the right side of this leg, so it is all but certain we're going to start to see some droppage take place. Here you'll notice we went up 1, 2, 3, 4 bars. Here we went up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 before the correction. Here we went up 1, 2, correction. Here we went up 1, 2, 3, looking for now the correction. So on the weekly chart the S&P looks grim, and on the monthly we did have a close. That was Thursday, and during the week on Wednesday we made the high, touched the resistance point, came back down. Now it's November, just getting started here, but you can see big area of support, now resistance. This is a resistance area. We should start to drop. And take a look at the NASDAQ monthly. It's actually doing quite a bit better. It's closing above a resistance trend line. The weekly chart, we're hung up. You can see we have these spinning tops and a tweezer top, and this looks very bearish to the downside, and we're looking on the weekly for a sizable drop the next couple weeks. On the daily, you can see we're starting to build what looks to be a shoulder head and then a shoulder here, so watch for a real ugly looking head and shoulder trend reversal pattern on the daily. And we have this rounded top. This could start to fall apart on us. Gold is really giving us a nice little bull pullback. If I were to draw a fib, pull a fib here, you can see we found a support level with a hammer at 50% Fibonacci. So if the markets do start to go bullish, look for a bounce here, and a trade might be above 127.18 on GLD. And on silver, a little pullback with a gap. I'm not as excited about this technically speaking, even though I was holding this long and for a while. So I am since been out of this trade. And taking a look here at Google. Google is starting to round up off, and I would be careful with any positions that you have with Google. And let's go to Apple. Just be careful with this, showing some weakness. Facebook is not getting back above this resistance area, so we have support. Now support's acting as resistance. Microsoft, nice high base, a little bit of a pullback above all major moving averages, not looking too bad. And on the bear list, a couple big runners that we had this week is RYN. This was on our bear list, so the stock picks vNewsletter we do each weekend. Big drop down just on for the week, more than 14%. TCK is another one that's on our bear list. This is down almost 9% for the week. Big drop. And what else? I mean, there's a bunch of them. RGLD. And this one dropped for the week more than 7%. A lot of 7 and 5% in just 1 week. So a lot of trades out there. Anyway, we do have a mentorship coming up in Vegas, and hope you guys can join us. And all you need to do is a couple things. When you go to the website, go here to the website. And if you're not logged in, you can register for the 101s. These are free courses that you could be taking. And but you want to go down here to the premium products, go to the mentorship down here at the bottom, where you can just click right here on this big white button. And from there, read a little bit about it and contact Carolina. Take care. Share this with a friend. Hope this trading education is helping you become a more savvy and profitable trader. We're here to help you grok your trading. Take care, and we'll talk to you later.
This may or may not be you, but traders who come to Grok Trade for help are sharp, well-educated, and have made money in the past. However, trading was a real struggle for them. They bought high and sold low. They let small losses turn into large losses. They kept losing money. This does not have to be you. They made a change before it was too late. Grok Trade students trade within the live markets with confidence. Get signed up for mentoring today before it's too late for your trading.
I'm Tim Cole.
I'm Mike Reed.
My name is Randeep Kapoor.
Shane Parker.
Hi, I'm Steve Gould.
Mary Olson.
My name is Spiro Karajanis.
Mike Muller.
My name is Caroline Elizon, and I've been day trading full-time for about 2.5 years.
What did you think of the mentorship?
I am just thrilled with it. I think it's a great program.
It kept me going, kept my brain moving.
In 20 years, I learned this much about trading. I think that this weekend gave me this much to add on it.
This is actually my second time through mentorship, so this is a refresher for me. And I'm picking up nuggets that I missed the first time around, and I feel more confident to use all this information.
It's given me a skill level that's a much, much higher level.
You learn stuff that you will not learn in any other course. I've taken a bunch of different courses. I've never seen this stuff taught before. No one else teaches it. I mean, you've given us such golden nuggets today, or this week. You know, it's well worth taking this class.
Yeah. It has helped unbelievably. I mean, I can't even explain it. I'm literally at a loss for words right now.
So if there was someone out there who was thinking about joining the mentoring class, kind of on the fence, what would you tell them?
I would definitely say this is something that you need if you're struggling with consistency in your trading results.
You need to have good education, good understanding, otherwise you will get killed in the market.
You can understand why they're doing what they're doing, how to trade successfully, how to make the proper setups, what you're looking for, and how to go from being a newbie to a professional trader in a short period of time.
You're not going to be able, on your own, floundering or just reading books, to be able to sit down and pick the brain of very successful traders and be able to incorporate that into your own trading.
You learn something that you didn't know before, and learning is always good, no matter how old you are.
Mentoring is all about helping you really get your hands on and practice it.
I would tell anybody who's on the fence, it took me 20 years to learn this much. This much. And you know what? Maybe it's really this much, but I'm trying to, tell you that I know a little bit more. And I got this much, out of this weekend. So I think you got to be crazy to want to go through years of heartache to learn stuff that experts can teach you right away.
I've just realized being here how important it is to get some formal education in trading. You get so many things from so many different directions, and to have it all brought together and put in front of you, your toolkit so you can use it, is really invaluable.